Hi, this video will show you the preset time list features of time travel. First, run time travel. The preset time list feature includes a list that will store every single time settings that you have entered the time travel program. To do so, make sure the Add to List box is checked. Now, let's set the time for March 14th through the 20th at 2. As you can see, all of our settings have been stored in a time list. Click on the Edit button. Now we can change the order of the time list. We can also copy and paste or cut and paste our time settings. We can also add a new time slot into the list by clicking the New button. The name and comments are optional, but if you would like to remind yourself the purpose of this time slot, it will be beneficial to name your time. Another feature time travel includes is that you can save and load lists. For example, we can save this list as the March time slots. Finally, if we were to empty the list, and then we would like to repeat the tests from March, we can simply go to Edit, Load, and import the March time slots. Now we can test each day's time slot by simply using the list and set time and go next.